Military veterans transitioning out of the military must get comfortable talking about themselves. And this may be the most challenging thing you have to come to grips with as you transition out of the military. What are you going to say when you're in that interview and they ask you the first question, tell me about yourself? What are you going to say when you're at a networking event and you introduce you, said, hi, I'm Gary. What's your name? What are you going to say? One conversation can change everything. And I believe what you say about yourself is probably the most important thing about your new civilian brand. Hi, this is Gary.Rohmann. I'm the Veterans Coach. Today's transition tip for veterans is know how to tell your story. And as I said earlier, this is a challenging thing, so that you want to say something about yourself and your background that will get people's attention, but more importantly, it will articulate your value in their organization as a member of their team. So whatever you say about yourself must be clear, concise, and understandable. And most importantly, highlights your value. Now, this is easier said than done. So I'm going to, on my next video, transition tip video, I will share with you how you do this with a easy 1, 2, 3 step process. Always remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. My contact information will be at the end of this video. And again, this is Gary.Rohmann, the Veterans Coach.